Welcome to Vedic Astrology classes, session 102. 11th house of a birth chart in Vedic Astrology. 11th house of the birth chart is referred as Labh Bhav. Meaning of the word Labh is profit or gains. In Vedic Astrology, 10th house of the birth chart is the Karma Bhav. It represents our actions and duties in professional and social life while living in this world. And the outcome of these actions, good or bad, is seen from 11th house. 11th house is seen for profit, gains in business, bonus, hikes in salary, awards and recognition in social and professional life, profits in share market. 11th house is also seen for top leadership. 11th house depicts how we present ourselves in society and the recognition we receive in society. 11th house represents elder sibling, brother or sister, seniors at workplace, manager, boss, etc. It also represents colleagues, friend circle and network circle. 11th house is 9th from 3rd house. It is seen for religious beliefs of our younger siblings, their relations with father. It is also seen for belief system of our neighbors and also of people we are surrounded by. 11th house also represents the social status, fame, reputation, position of the family we actually belong to. 11th house is 8th from 4th house. It is seen for death, rebirth of mother, her belief in mystic and occult sciences, her unexpected gains. It is also seen for reconstruction, renovation, redecoration of the present home of the person. Being 3rd from 9th house, it is seen for younger siblings of father, father's relations with neighbors, his skills, talent, creativity, his communication style. 11th house represents spouse of the first child of a married person. 11th house also represents children of the spouse of a married person, as it is 5th from 7th house. 11th house also represents big organizations like WHO, World Bank, etc. It is also seen for NGOs. In a spiritual sense, 11th house is considered last of the temptations or hurdles one has to face before attaining salvation or moksha. 11th house is one of the Trishday houses. It is not only for materialistic gains and profits, but it is also responsible for health problems in the dasha or antardasha of its lord. A strong 11th house blesses the person with great benefits, profits and recognition, and almost everything he or she desires materialistically. More planets in 11th house with less malefic effect indicate great profits. To learn more about Vedic astrology, please watch Vedic astrology classes, session 103.